This is a quick review on the Maxbo 2.4 GHz 4-channel waterproof remote control quadcopter. As you see, I have already installed 3 other propellers and 3 other guards. I wanted to leave this one so you can see how it is done. I need to put a B, propeller B. You have propeller A's and propeller B, and they supposed to go on the other side of each other. Like this is A, propeller B, and this should be a B also. This came down. You have to hold this gear thing from the bottom all the way up. You see that it has a hole there, it has a hole here, and you have to align it because you have a hole here too on the propeller. So just align it and put it in. Should be aligned, hopefully. And then just take one of these screws, the long ones, the little long ones, because the little ones they're for the propeller guards. So just put them in here. Alright, done with that. I had to take it out and put it again because it wasn't aligned. So you have to align the holes and then it'll go through easy. Now for the guard, you put it upside down carefully. Let me fix the camera. Now what I do is I take a little screw. I don't know if you can see it or not. Take the little screw and I put it in before. And I think that's it. So this is the copter right here. As you can see, he has 4 more propellers here, an extra battery, charger, battery charger, and charger also here. A remote. So he also brings a couple more of landing gears. There you go. Alright, so this is what's going on. You need, they're labeled, the propellers. Maybe you can see them here, like B and A, B and A. This one is A and B, B A, A B. Like A B, B A. Otherwise, if you put an A on a B and a B on the A, it's going to turn the other way, and instead of going up, it's going to push the quadcopter down. So just make sure you read the instructions and you know where to put it. So there you go. So I'll take it outside and I'll give it a test for you guys. Alright, something I wanted to show you on this one. It's the speed is here. That's 1, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Look, that's the highest speed. When you're trying to hover it, if it goes to the left, these are the trim here. If you're trying to hover, everything is on 0 point, and it goes that way, then trim it here. What this does is try to control it so it'll stay right in the center. If it's going to your right, this way, if it's leveling like that, if it's going like this, then press this button here until it does go straight up. If it's going forward when it's supposed to be hovering, then press the bottom one, and if it's going backwards, just press the front one here. This is trimming. It's like trimming the left, right, front, and back. So it'll be adjusted and calibrated. So it'll fly like, of course, like any other video that you have seen. It's a nice piece. It's fun. Yeah, I think you could attach a small camera and to it, and if you put something too heavy, yeah, you could overheat the engine, or the little engine's motors, or even the battery. So that's it. I love it. It's a nice piece to train it with. I like it. It's a nice price. Give them a try. Thank you for watching this review, and if you found it somehow helpful, give me a positive vote. I appreciate it.